Planet Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It's not too hot and it's not too cold because it's in the Goldilocks zone. This means that water can flow freely, allowing life as we know it to flourish across pretty much the entire surface. For millions of years, Earth has provided and absorbed energy that gave life the ability to evolve to how we can see it today. You haven't got to travel far to see something amazing or beautiful on this planet that we call Earth. But would an extraterrestrial see our world as being a beautiful place? Would an alien look at the Great Barrier Reef and see beauty, or just a stony coral system made from calcium carbonate? Well, if these extraterrestrials had a spacecraft that could travel to Earth, you would automatically assume that they are extremely intelligent beings. The only other planet that humans have ever walked on is the Moon. This was achieved by using rocket propulsion, and it took the astronauts of the Apollo program 2.5 days travelling at speeds faster than 24,000 miles an hour. By using current technology in a spacecraft powered by chemical rocket engines, a trip to Mars could take between 6 and 9 months. To get to Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to ours, at a distance of 4.37 light years away, using the same current technology and rockets, it would take us around 165,000 years. So even if aliens travelled to Earth, even if it was from Alpha Centauri, they would be much more advanced than us. But that doesn't mean that the distance would be easy to travel, so surely coming to Earth would mean that they had a motive. Maybe planets like Earth are rare. Extraterrestrials may be looking for a new home. Earth could be useful if it was habitable for them, or if it wasn't, maybe they could terraform the planet. This would mean wiping out the human race. But if they were looking for a new home, then they probably wouldn't mind squashing us like ants, as we would not think twice about destroying an ant's nest. But maybe they would be a more peaceful race. Travelling to other habitable planets and meeting the local intelligence could be very educational for them. Knowledge is the most valuable thing in the cosmos, so if there was something that mankind could do exceptionally well, the extraterrestrial life may benefit from travelling to see us. On the other hand, Earth's resources may be very valuable to extraterrestrials, and they may want to take it all, meaning that they would invade. If extraterrestrial beings had the technology to cross space to reach us, any defences that we had would be all but useless. Stephen Hawking said, if aliens visit us, the outcome would be much as when Columbus landed in America, which didn't turn out well for the Native Americans. But maybe they wouldn't want to wipe us out, or even learn from us. Maybe their agenda would be to harvest human beings. One big resource that aliens probably couldn't find anywhere but on Earth is us. One example could be human hair. Life on Earth is very hairy. Your hair keeps for a very long time. It can be reprocessed to provide amino acids for foods, and it absorbs oil at a high rate. It can be woven together as durable cloth and used as a special fertilizer. Hair could be a very valuable resource if it was rare in the universe. Other parts of the body that might be valuable to an alien race could be hormones. If life started on Earth from debris of other planets, then our chemical build-up could be the same as another race of creature from another planet. Or maybe even human fat. We have lots of it and it's an energy source. Our brains are extremely complex, and they are very well designed instruments of the body. Aliens may be able to use biological materials as a computer-like system. Since the human brain has a lot of unique features, but it also adapts to new situations with little training, it could aid well in an alien computer-like network. If aliens were going to focus on humans at all, they'll focus on us because of our brains. If they did want anything from humans, then maybe creating a reproduction system would be the answer. But there would be no way of telling whether aliens would be peaceful or hostile until they actually got here. Scientists at the National Institute of Health reported studies that life in the universe may have begun billions of years before Earth was even formed. Also, the universe is so vast that the chances of other life starting elsewhere is high. Astronomers believe that there could be 100 billion Earth-like planets in our galaxy, meaning that life similar to ours could have started on some of these. So there very well could be hostile and peaceful extraterrestrials out there. But if an alien race did invade Earth, are they really any different than us? Human history is full of war and destruction on neighbouring countries. If we had the technology to travel to another planet that had life inhabiting the surface, would we invade the planet if it had something that we wanted? History would suggest that we would. Maybe all of the movies we watch regarding this topic are really just reflections of ourselves, and that we will be the unknown creatures descending from the skies of an alien planet one day. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, like and subscribe for much more to come. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.